All right, here we have a packing video. Yes, my shoes are on the bed cover. So here we have our passports. I keep them with the bag when we're getting ready for the trip. The bright orange inside the bag is actually awesome because you can see the contents a lot better than if you don't have a high contrast inside. So I like to put my shoes up in this little mesh bag. It protects them from touching the clothes, and sometimes I even have them in another bag. Here are the packing cubes all packed and waiting to go into the suitcase. And this is my little mini travel purse. Has a RFID and it has a anti-cut strap on the top. So then I have everything all set and ready. This bag is actually from eBags. So I have everything queued up and ready to put into the bag. And this bag expands, but we are using this, we're doing carry-on only. So this one will stay as low profile as possible. So one of the cool features on the bag is a little side pocket here. You can put stuff for easy access, and then it has a top pocket right here also for easy access. I usually have clips to clip on there so they don't zip open. And here is a little bag on the side which you can put a water bottle in, and then it folds back up into this little side pocket. So here's a better view. And then it has a drawstring at the top so your water bottle doesn't fall out. And then just tuck that back in there. Low profile. This backpack is also from eBags. But sadly, I think eBags closed, so you won't be able to get this bag anymore. Alright, so now let's start putting stuff into the backpack. This is my low profile hygiene kit. This time I am just getting all the basics in there. Now you can see there are also compression straps inside the backpack. Here is one of my packing cubes with my larger items: pants, leggings, shirts, long sleeve tops. This trip is going to be to Alaska, so I'm packing for layers. This bag has the socks and undergarments, or that packing cube, and then this packing cube has shirts, and I think pants. So I'm using 4 packing cubes. I have 3 that are about the same size, and then 1 that is larger for the larger items. And then I also have a hard-sided case for my toothbrush. That way the toothbrush doesn't get turned on while it's going through security. Electric toothbrush. I'll pack that when we get closer to the time for the trip. And then I have a little waterproof bag with pills. And then I have a packable backpack. So the medicines I'm bringing are like upset stomach and also motion sickness patches. So this packable backpack is cool because I can easily unpack it from the little packing pocket and bring it on a day trip. So then that way I can carry purchases or whatever. And then it folds back up into itself. Very compact. And then these straps right here, you strap them up and then you can tighten them even more to compress everything. And again, this is for an Alaskan trip, so it will be layers and layers. So that way you can have lighter weight clothing and then just layer it, and that way you can stay warm. And then this backpack also has an option of tucking in the backpack straps. It's a little difficult with one hand, but there is a pocket and you can put the straps into the pocket and you just smooth them out real nicely, and it's not even a problem. And then it also came with a shoulder strap. So you could either use the backpack straps or you could use the shoulder strap. I have another smaller version of this same backpack that will be my personal item. So we'll see how it all works out if I end up with backpack straps or with a shoulder strap. But yeah, should work out pretty well. Everything in a carry-on, and then one personal item. It should fit right perfectly within the requirements and regulations of the airline.